it is not a solution for every problem. It's another tool which is goddamn good and easy to use because you can have it at your home without doing a lot of mess, but it won't solve or print everything, at least not for another few decades. You can print stuff at your house, and if you take a simple thing like a coat hook, which if you go buy to an IKEA store, IKEA has it made in China with very bad materials. It has to be shipped all over the world, and it has to be stored in a plastic packaging at the store. You have to go there, use the gas, and then you bring it home and you throw away the packaging. But if you have a 3D printer at home, printing something simple as a coat hook can take 15 minutes, and you can use material which is biodegradable, and it didn't have that crazy all around the world trip from China. So I would say that if you use it efficiently and smartly, it can be very ecological. If you compare it to the phones, I think it's quite a good comparison because mobile phones we have around for, 20, 25 years, and there was a revolution, but the proper revolution came in, last 5-6 years when the first iPhone came out, and the smartphones sprang to life, and nowadays I cannot imagine my life without a smartphone. But no one would expect that at the beginning, so the revolution for them didn't happen. But I would say the same thing is happening with 3D printing, because at the beginning everybody was like, yeah, 3D printing will change everything. But the media kind of overblown it. Then when they didn't see the 3D printed organs or the cars or the houses, then they thought that the 3D printing isn't happening. But actually it is one of the fastest growing industries, and it is just setting the base for the true revolution which will come in, upcoming years. But I don't want to guess when. So future of 3D printing is about everyday regular stuff. When you want something which is tailored specifically for you, which cannot be made in big volumes. So for example, if you want customized coffee mug, or if you want customized chair, if you want customized everything in your house, something which is impossible when you make it just for yourself to make it volume.